Blocking channel on YouTube TV. In this video, we are going to learn how to block channel on YouTube TV. So let's get started. First, launch the YouTube TV app on your device. Access the live guide, which typically displays a list of channels. Then scroll through the live guide to find the channel you want to hide. Launch the YouTube TV app on your device and then access the live guide, which typically displays a list of channels. Scroll through the live guide to find the channel you want to hide. However, or select the channel you want to hide. Look for an option like hide or remove. This may involve pressing the options or setting button on your remote or using the on-screen controls. Confirm that you want to hide the channel. Check hidden channels. There might be a section in the app setting where you can review or manage hidden channels. Check this section to ensure that the channel has been successfully hidden. That's all. That's how you can block channel on YouTube TV.